Good morning. So we know school is out for summer, but how about summer school? Well, BT this entire summer is going to help you with some summer school activities to keep your children's mind motivated. And joining me this morning, we have Rob Canone with me this morning. You're an educator at York Region. How are we going to do it? How are we going to keep our kids there?
We're going to do it, Frankie. I'm positive, I'm optimistic that we're going to keep that momentum going, and we're going to do it in engaging ways, right? Not through worksheets. We're going to get the students outdoors, and we're going to get them thinking mathematically, but also having fun. That's the goal.
And you were out here earlier with some chalk, and we have some different things here that are going to help us with educating our kids outdoors and easy to do. Any parent can do this.
Absolutely, you said it. Easy to implement. I've got 3 activities set up. We're going to start with this one.
Okay.
This is geared towards primary students.
Okay.
And it's called Gather, Sort, and Graph. I've set up a simple pictograph here.
Right.
Summer months are here. We want to get outdoors. We've been glued to our desks. I know I have.
Yeah, everybody has.
Exactly. So the goal is to get our students outdoors, our children outdoors, take them on a nature walk, have them gather things,
Okay.
and when they get back from that nature walk, as you see here what I've done.
Yeah, you built a graph. Go this way over here. You
Yeah.
can see it from this angle here.
And you can have your child engage in organizing what they've gathered by attributes. So they select the attributes, they organize it, and this is great to help students with number identification, and then you can also engage in math talk with your child. So
Beautiful.
how many more yellow flowers do we have than leaves?
Right.
How many altogether do we have? How many in total? How many leaves in
do we
total?
have? Yeah.
And then you can also make it more complex if you'd like by changing up the intervals on the side, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
That's
Right?
awesome.
So you can adapt it easily.
So we got the bean bags here as well, and you've drawn some numbers over there.
Yep.
How does this game work?
So this game is really easy to implement again, super fun. It engages your child in creating equations essentially.
Okay.
You can adapt it again, primary, junior to intermediate. Primary, for example, for primary students, we'll throw a beanbag down. What number is that? 7, right?
Okay.
So you can throw down your bag, 11.
Okay.
Now we can create equations, junior students, even primary, you can create equations now, and then we can make it a game. This
Right.
is so amazing, and kids will love this because there's some element of competition in there, right?
So we go with like 7 plus 11.
So now I'm on a separate team than you, so now we're against each other.
Okay.
So now my turn again, and I want to get it in the smaller numbers because as
These are
you can
bigger.
tell, I put smaller numbers into larger circles, larger numbers into smaller circles.
Right.
So it's a bit of a challenge there. Let's see if I can get it into a large number. 10. I got 10. I'll say 10. So
yeah,
10 plus 7,
sounds good.
17. You got to beat me now.
Oh!
Okay, you're beating me. 22.
You got it.
Let's see if I can get a high number. 3.
Okay, I'm going to go for the 20. Oh, 5.
5. So then at the end, we'll add them all up. We can perhaps create a tally on the side. You can also make it more complex by changing the operation, maybe multiplication. Or as a friend suggested yesterday, start at 100, work backwards
Okay.
using subtraction.
That's
and
awesome.
see who can get closer to the number 0, or to 0, right?
You got the third game up there, would be good for, I guess, my son that's in grade 6.
Oh, absolutely, because it's getting your child outdoors, and it's, again, engaging them in more complex mathematical thinking. They're using order of operations to solve many of those problems. You'll see square roots there, you'll see integers, and there's 2 elements to this. So you'll roll the dice.
Right.
The first die, you will have to determine what you're doing. Are you going to be performing jumping jacks, push-ups, burpees, your choice. And then whatever you land on, whatever that equals, that's how many of those you'll be doing. So
really?
Yeah, so it combines math and physical activity.
So you can see 16 minus 9, so that would be 5, then I would have to do 5 lunges.
Exactly.
So it's everything. So we're keeping our kids super active. You have a couple
got it.
other options here too that we have on the far side as well.
Absolutely. Right here on my right, your left, I have 2 problem-solving questions. I've noticed in my neighborhood, a lot of families are putting out problems on their sidewalks, and this is a great invitation to have our child engage in that mathematical thinking. Right there, splat, that's
Yep.
great for algebraic thinking and reasoning. So we have a total of 17. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pink dots,
Right.
and we have 4 splats, we're going to do 17, subtract 5, we have 12, divided by 4 is 3. So we have to determine how many pink dots are under each of those splats.
Oh, that's so awesome. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
it's really awesome.
Once again, if people want to get more information, where do they go?
They can visit my blog, robcanone.com.
Thank you very much. And that's
Thank
it.
you.
That's how we get our kids active and keep their minds engaged all summer long. Once again, on BT, we'll be taking you to summer school. Thanks, Rob.
Thank you so much, Frankie.